This dictation is 60 words per minute. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I give my support to the bill. The bill carries out one of the major recommendations of the Bhore Committee on Health Survey and Development, of which I was a member. Now, one of the projects of this will be to provide an All India Institute for the Advancement of Medical Knowledge and the Training of Medical Personnel. It will provide refresher courses for the physicians working in our towns and villages. It will provide, I take it, facilities for higher instruction in modern medicine. I think the health minister, if I may say so, with respect, was a little far too apologetic in defense of modern medicine. We don't stand today where we did 4,000 years back, when our ancestors had creative minds and did a very great deal in the world of medicine. The world has moved far ahead during those 4,000 years, and if you want to benefit by medicine or by the facilities which medical science offers, you must be prepared to go to doctors who have knowledge of physiology, bacteriology, pathology, and who can perform the various tests which are necessary in order to diagnose diseases. There is a very great deal that can be done by way of research. Para. Now, I should have liked some more light to be thrown on the organizational side of the institute. One of the questions which we had to consider was whether this institute should not be affiliated to the Delhi University or to any other university for that matter. We came to the conclusion that it should serve, it should function as an autonomous institution having more or less the status of a university, but I do not, on reflection like this segregation in education, the tendency to have special institutes and call them by the name of universities, or to develop on them the functions of a university has, I am afraid, been carried a little too far in this country. We have an engineering university and we have, I suppose, a technological institute. Should they call themselves universities? Now, a university is a place where knowledge is integrated. It is a place where you have researchers and professors of various branches of knowledge working and cooperating together for the advancement of learning. It is an advantage to have a big institution of a specialized character affiliated to a university. I wish, therefore, that a decision had been taken to affiliate it to the Delhi University, which I believe is federal university, and if necessary, the constitution of the Delhi University could have been modified for that purpose. Another thing that I would like to say to this, I have gone through the bill and I find that far too much has been left to be filled up by the rules to be made by the executive government. Now, by merely reading the bill, I can have no idea as to how the institute will actually function and what the measure of internal autonomy will be that the full stop.